Welcome to Swaarm's Tip of the Month. Today we're going to cover blocking multiple offers from a publisher in offer accesses. First we'll go over to Publishers Overview, and then we will go over to the Offer Accesses tab. Here we can filter for the publisher that we want to block, and we'll go ahead and select Caleb the publisher. Now we can see all the offers that this publisher is approved for and that they are on. In the access status, we can see that they're all approved, and some of these offers are pending. So for some of these offers, we will just go ahead and block them. We could actually select all offers that is related to this publisher, whether blocked or approved. For now, we're just going to select the 50. You can see that their access status is approved, but what we're going to do is click Update Access Status and then select Blocked. We can select a reason. For this one, we'll select Others. And now we'll click Save. Simple as that. Now we've blocked the access status for all of these 50 offers for this publisher. And if you wanted to do all of them at once, 555, you could do that as well. You can also do the reverse of this. We can select all of the offers, update the access status, and set them to approved. For now, we'll leave them as blocked. That's it for this tip of the month. See you in the next.